Just another early morning in the sunny southwest. Hey, did you guys feel that earthquake last night? Not sure what that was, but it sure was disturbing.
Hello everyone, thank you for getting me into the Nyx Face Awards Top 15. You guys killed it with the voting last challenge, and I'm so excited to bring you my newest creation. This challenge theme was out of this world, so I'm taking you all the way down to the underworld with my take on the Queen of the Damned, Persephone. I'm going a little out of order for this look, so bear with me, but first I'll be applying the NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop, Won't Stop Long Wear Brow Kit in black. This is basically a liquid liner for your brows, and I'm obsessed with it. Now we're going to start on the eyes by applying a base using NYX Professional Makeup's Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer in Alabaster. And then for eyeshadow, I'll be using the Ultimate Shadow Palette in Phoenix and creating a very defined eye look, taking the shadow from the inner brow bone all the way to the temples. I'll also be creating an exaggerated lower lash line by connecting my eyeshadow to the sides of my nose. I'm now going to be adding a base for the rest of my shadow by taking the NYX Professional Makeup Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean and applying it to my lid and lower lash line, and then setting it with the black shade from the eyeshadow palette. To finish off the eyes, we're going to enlarge and define them even more. I'll be adding the Jumbo Pencil in Milk to the waterline and a white liquid liner to fill in the inner corner. Now we're going to move on to special effects. Starting with a clean face, I'll be adhering these horns to my head using Prosade. Then I'll be taking the same adhesive and carefully applying it to the edges of my mouth. I'll be creating a no mouth prosthetic using cotton balls and liquid latex. Once the prosthetic dries, I'll be using eyelash scissors to carefully cut it down, and then to make it a bit more seamless, I'll be dabbing on some liquid latex with my finger and applying 1-ply toilet paper to give it a more feathered look. For my base, I'll be using NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop, Won't Stop Foundation and setting it with the SFX Setting Powder. Now it's time to shade my face, so I'll be using the same 3 eyeshadows from the Phoenix palette and deepening the hollows of my face, neck, and chest. Once the shading around my face is finished, I'll start working on the prosthetic. For this, I'll be adding the SFX cream color paints with a stipple sponge so the prosthetic portion matches the rest of my face. For a little finishing touch on the glam side of things, I'll be adding the NYX Professional Makeup Glazed and Confused Eye Gloss in Bad Blood to the crease of my eyes, the high point of my cheeks, and around my devil horns. Now for some good old bloody tears, I'll be using a blood gel. This blood doesn't dry down completely, but it also doesn't run, so you can wear it for long increments of time. And lastly, I'll be applying some super dramatic lashes to the upper and lower lash line. I created these myself using black and red cardstock paper. Off camera, I added this beautiful ginger wig, these whiteout contacts, and a few handmade props. I really hope you enjoyed my take on this challenge. I will put the voting link in the description below if you do want to vote for me in the NYX Face Awards. All you have to do is sign up for nyxcosmetics.com and you will be allowed to vote up to 3 times a day. Voting starts August 19th and ends August 22nd. Thanks again for watching, and I really hope to see you in the top 5.
Hey, I don't know if you can understand me right now, but I want to read a country to film an intro portion of my NYX Face Awards look like this. I love my life. Hopefully I don't get pulled over. I really wish my windows were tinted right about now. I made it to a wig an hour and a half later, I'm so fucking hungry and thirsty. I'm finally at Frenchie's house. This is a mess. I just sneezed. Oh, sorry. So we made it to Griffith Park. We're gonna go to the abandoned zoo and film. But I had to put my contacts on and a wig. So yeah. I'm so fucking hungry. Thanks, guys. Mom, can you pick me up now?
We did it, guys. We're done filming and I can finally eat and drink. I was shaking trying to get everything off, but everything turned out amazing. So worth it. I'm sitting here in Griffith Park by myself eating barbecue Lay's chips while Frenchie and Renato get the car so we can pack up. I'm gonna get Carl from there. I really hope you guys like this video.